Welcome back to the channel. Tonight I'm just trying to put on the underbody protection on this my wife's Toyota Corolla 2004. So I put on welded and some places here to get it a little nicer out. I put on some, I'm not sure what you call it in English, sparkle filler you call it. And I put on Owatrol oil a couple of times on the rusty part here too. So I'm just going to fill it up with underbody black paint in here, because this is going on the outside, but I don't want it to be able to, I don't want it to be able to stand a lot of water into the metal here. So just putting on this to protect it a little, so I don't have to get problem fast again, I hope. So that we can just start. I have to use my breathing mask. I also have the brake line. Let's see, I'm putting on everywhere here, just to protect the whole system. Then I filled up in this side and little under. A whole box can, a whole can I use now just in this. I have one more can, so I take the other side. And the rest in the middle of the, under the car, I can take later. But now it's more important to get this finished. So I can put in the inner fender and put back the wheels. After that I can lift off the car on this and I need to get more boxes, cans with the underbody. I think I was having some more, but I can't find them now, so I just have to get some more another day. Most important now is to fix this. Well, then I take the other side here. Yeah, just starting. Yeah, start to fill up. Then I'm going to use more or less, I think it's going to go one box on this side too, just to fill it up before the inner plastic is coming back when these are dried up. I use the Owatrol oil to be a rust preventer and because that is going into the small gaps in the metal and things and protect it. And I use this one to be a softer layer in between the other here to take away other protection on the top of the other. So I think it's going to be good enough. It's much better than without anything. Luckily on this side it was not rusting through anything, so it was no problem. The other side it was a couple of places. I was afraid it's going to be more, because they were saying it was a lot very dangerous rust, but it's not. The inside there again is a big metallic thing, so when they're welded in, I welded in a little thicker metal too, so it shouldn't be a problem anymore, at least. But then I finished this. I'm good. Just going to use up the rest of it on some space in the back here maybe. I have a little left on this one. I can put on thicker here. Then I'm finished with what I can do tonight. So I'm just looking over, everything looks okay. Just going to close down the garage and have this oven on for a little while to get the temperature higher, so it will be drying faster. Now it's open and it's just a few degrees outside. This is Norway. In the morning when we was driving to work, we had 2 degrees minus. So it's time for winter tires. That was a smart idea, because when I put on the tires here again, I have summer tires. I can just put on winter tires on the back right away. Ah, yes, I just have to find those. They are in the basement, so if I have time tomorrow, I have to go down and get up 2 winter tires and put in the back. Wait till I get the car down and things, I can drive it out and put winter tires on the front too. Make it ready for. But first I have to put in the inner fender again, the plastic fenders are going back in. So that should be okay. I should be painting this before we take it out and use much in the winter. So maybe I have to look at that in the weekend. I see the days are going fast now. They have to be finished soon. So then it shouldn't be a problem, I hope, because the brake pipes was said was rusty. I polished it over with a sandpaper and things. It's no rusty problems. It's only on the outside. So I'm going to talk about that to the guys who control it and say what I've been doing, and I can't see any problems. So I have to just inspect it and see. Now I had Owatrol on that one, and now I have body sheets on the top. So the pipe is fine. So yeah, thank you for coming by my channel again. I hope you can come by just to see what I'm doing, get some ideas, tell me what to do better, give me ideas, give me feedbacks. Please like and subscribe. That would be very nice and help me, so maybe I can make more videos. It's good to help other people. Now this car, I can't remember what we're supposed to do next here, but we're going to take in the 2000 model Toyota Celica and start changing things in the front suspension, and also some things I think in the back I bought, and get that one road legal after. I'm not sure how long time it's going to take. Maybe taking the Honda Civic in and fixing the back brake and take the rust in the Civic. Have rust here too, so maybe I do that one day. And I have the Land Cruiser should have been in doing some check. The Kia said I have to go to air control to check up things. So it's a lot of things. I ordered another OBD reading system today too, because I couldn't get out everything in the one I bought before. So now I'm going to have 3 different. So that is going to come back with some information of what it called, Carly. So I see it on B is for build, and that channel was talking about it. I was satisfied and the price was good, and they support his channel, so it's okay. I just buy it. At least I do something to support him too. So that's nice. I think it's have a good channel, so you can go by and see. B is for build. Just go by there. So thank you. Please come back. Goodbye.